I'm Joanne Litton, one of the Purdue Extension educators in Carroll County, and today we're going to talk about decoupaging a flower pot. So the easiest way to do that is to use some acrylic paint, brushes, maybe a stencil, and then we will show you about decoupaging when it's dry. So I love butterflies. What you do with your stencil is you wrap it firmly around your pot. You need to make sure it stays in place. And then you take a sponge brush, dab it in your paint, and dab it lots of other times because you want very little paint. You just want a very little bit so that it doesn't smear. So we're going to have a nice yellow butterfly. And then I think we will make a blue body. So let's just add that in here before we remove the sponge. Now, gently lift away so it doesn't smear. And there you go. After you finish your pot, we'll talk about decoupaging. Now that your pot is dry, it is time to decoupage. You will need 3 parts school glue with 1 part water. You mix it together and then you apply a light coat all over your pot. This will protect your painted surface. And once it dries, which you will need to do before you can plant your flower, it will have a clear coat. Once your pot has dried, you're ready to plant your flowers. Today we're going to plant some violas. The first thing you want to do is add some pea gravel to the bottom of your pot. The gravel at the bottom of your pot will allow for drainage. Then you will want to add some potting soil. Fill it up about halfway full. Then add your flower. You will want to add dirt around the outside of the pea pot so that the top of the soil is even all the way around. Once your flower is in place with enough potting soil, you will want to go in and press the soil in place and then add a little moisture to get your flower on its way to growing. And now you have a lovely gift.